Me the available profiles for the according measurement that is set at the moment. So if I switch, for example, to velocity, then I have the selection for my velocity profile. But now I want to make a calibration in acceleration RMS, so I can select my profile that I prepared here. In the next step, I choose my sensor. And here I already prepared the PCB JTLD 352C04. The sensor is also already mounted. Now you see the sensor is selected accordingly. We are in profile mode and I can start the measurement. So now we have the calibration running in the first calibration points. And I will not let it run through completely, just to save some time. So just wait for a few points that come into my calibration protocol. So you see in profile mode, according to the frequency steps that we set in our description, the CV-10 runs through these points that we've set there and runs through these discrete frequencies, controls the acceleration value that we've set, and records the sensitivity of the sensor. And therefore we get later on a complete frequency response for our sensor. As I said, now I will interrupt this measurement and I will save this protocol. So now the data are saved, and to get them on my PC, I need to go again to data exchange. And here now I have the option calibration data to USB. I select that and then I see, okay, there was already another calibration file on the CV-10. No, there wasn't. We transferred two files now because we selected in the data format that it creates an XML file and also a text file. And therefore now we have two files for one calibration that are transferred to the USB stick. Okay, then I can take off my USB stick from my CV-10